Thank you for watching BodyProCoach Nutrition. Today we're going to be doing a weight loss paneer steak. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, so today we are doing weight loss cottage spinach steak. That is a weight loss paneer steak. Here goes the recipe. First we require half a teaspoon of clarified butter. That's 1 cup of our chole beans. To that we are going to add some salt as per taste. You could add spices according to your taste. To this we are going to add some black sesame seeds. And our beans are ready. We're going to remove them into a serving plate. Now we are going in for our paneer steak. Half a teaspoon of ghee, 2 sticks of paneer. To the paneer steak you can add some black pepper, and next I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of my white sesame seeds. Let them turn slightly crisp. And our paneer steak is ready. And that's not done. We're going to just make a really nice guacamole beetroot dip. Let's see the recipe for the same. Our weight loss paneer steak is ready. So it's a complete meal. It's loaded with protein. It provides you great satiety as paneer is loaded with calcium and great amount of protein. With that we have beans and I have here a beetroot guacamole. That means it becomes a wholesome, lean, clean meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please subscribe the channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Lastly, I would love if you would share our channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you so much and lots of love.